Today we get to start our lowercase letters. Try your best. Surprise me! Hi friends, today we're going to learn the letter T. So get your pencil ready. Remember, you're pinching with your thumb and your forefinger. You're letting it rest on your middle finger. And always remember, with all our letters, we start at the top. So you are going to start at the top for your T. You are going to come down, bump the line. Don't go over, don't go under. Bump the line. Then lift your pencil, and if you are right-handed, you will cross your T this way. If you are left-handed, you will cross your T going towards the left. So watch. We'll start with some capital T's. Starting at the dot at the top, come down as straight as you can, stop at the line, bump. Lift your pencil, and I'm right-handed, so I'm going to go to the right. Down, bump the line, to the right. Last one here, you're going to write one and check it. There's no dot, so try your best to get to the top there. And if it looks like the other ones, you can check that you did a nice job. Lowercase t, same thing, but your line is lower, so you come down, bump still. When you cross, you're just crossing right above that line. Down, lift, and cross right above that line. Last one, try it yourself. Straight down, lift, cross, and if you did a nice job, check. Okay? Now you're going to copy the words. When you copy the words, you need to follow good handwriting rules. So you're always starting at the top. Your T comes down, you bump, cross. Your O's need to start at the line. They come around, you make a magic C, bump the bottom, and back to the top. Magic C, bump the bottom, and back to the top. Did someone say magic C? That's me! Oh, Magic C, he loves to hear his name. Toss. Down, lift your pencil and cross. Magic C, back up to the top. Keep those S's in between the lines. Little C and back. Okay. Friends, if you make a mistake, I'm going to show you on Scoot. Maybe your S starts up here. Maybe your C ends up too small and your O's are out. If your letters do not look like the book, you need to take that eraser that pencils all have and erase and try again. So please make sure your writing looks exactly like the book. All right, good luck, friends.